Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get unready with me. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. But do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you're a new subscriber to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button below to mean a lot to me. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notifications of all my new videos. First I'm going to start by using my favorite, the Maybelline New Clean Express Total Clean Express Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. This is how it looks like, and I'm going to take a little bit of this onto my cotton swab and then use. Taken a little bit of it onto my cotton swab. Now I'm just going to place it gently onto my eyes. I'm going to count from 1 to 10 seconds. And gently just rubbing it very lightly. Just holding it for 10 seconds, and after that one clean swipe. And you see, it's totally off. There you see one swipe and the entire makeup is off. That's how good this works. Same thing I'm going to do with my other eye. Once I'm done with both my eyes, then I'm going to go to my lips, for which again I'm going to take a little bit of this Maybelline Total Express Cleaner. Again I'm going to take a cotton swab, and then using this just got rid of all the lip. Next I'm going to use is this Bioderma Sensibio H2O. This is a solution micellar water, and it's perfect for makeup removing on an everyday basis. I like to use it on the rest of my face so that it helps me to get completely rid of it. Again I'm taking a cotton swab. I'm just taking a few drops of it. It's done. I'm just going to wipe and clean off the entire face makeup. See, the entire makeup is gone. Do not forget the neck area. So in that way, I've got complete rid of all the makeup that I had applied during the day. Once I've got rid of all the makeup, next I'm going to use my Face Shop Rice Bran All-in-One Cleanser. I'm just going to take 2 pumps of it. Yeah, I've got 2 pumps of it. I'm just going to take a little bit of it, apply it onto my face. Apply it all over my face and gently just massage in circular motions so that I get this cleanser all over my face into every corner that I've applied my makeup, so that anything which is left back is got rid of. I continue doing this for the next 30 seconds, and after that I'll just go wash my face and come. Once I've rinsed off my face with the cleanser and I've got all rid of anything that is left back in my skin, next time to go with the scrub. And scrub I use alternatively, like every alternate day, not every day. If I'm facing tan problem, then I use the Biotique Papaya Tan Removal Scrub, and if not, then I'll just go for the simple VLCC Gold Scrub. This is also one of my favorites. I just keep changing between that. This is gold leaf and turmeric for clear and glowing skin. So I'm going to use this. So this is how the scrub looks like. I'm going to take a little bit quantity. It's a little bit sticky kind of thing. It's called this gold leaf. That's what they say. And I just scrub it. Center of my head. Massaging every area on my face. Do not forget the nose area, because that's where you get all the blackheads and whiteheads. So massage them thoroughly. Your chin, your jaw. Keep scrubbing your face for another 2 minutes, and once you're done with that, then I'll just go wash my face and come. And now the entire cleaning cleanser scrubbing procedure is done, you can see how my skin feels so good and nice. I also feel my skin is able to breathe a lot. I'm done with the entire procedure of cleansing and everything. Since mine is a dry skin, I have asked my friend, and she's a skin consultant, and she has told me that I do not need to use a toner at night, because I'm a person from dry skin type. If you are a person from normal skin type or a combination skin type or oily skin type, you can definitely go ahead and use a toner. Otherwise, I'm just going to go ahead and use my night serum. This is Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Miraculous Fluid night 2 drops of this on my face, because this is what keeps my face hydrated. So this is how it looks like. I'm just going to go for 3 to 4 drops of it, massage it into my hand, and then just going to pat it all over my face. You can go for any serum or moisturizer. I really like this because it is something a little bit oily, and second, it's very good for my skin, which is a little bit of dry. So I really like it. And if after applying this, if I still feel a little bit dry on my skin, I just go for the chia seed hydrating emulsion. I just take 2 pumps of it, apply it just before I go to bed. This is the last thing that I do once I come back from office and everything. But even if I still feel dry, I go ahead and apply this hydrating emulsion. The last thing that I do is apply my strawberry lip balm, and well, that's the end to my getting unready with me. That's the end of my routine, and I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please do give it a big thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. Till next time, see you. Bye guys.